In this video, we'll review the promo video section of Sellvia dashboard. This area is used for working with promotional video content, which can be applied across different traffic sources and platforms. Let's open the section and go through it step by step. Inside the promo video section, there are two main parts: Add promo videos, Your promo videos. We'll start with Add promo videos, since this is where all available video packs are listed. This page shows all the promo video packages currently available. These video packs are created for different types of products, including physical products, digital products, brand-related products, and other categories. Visually, this page is structured in a very similar way to the products section. At the top, the packs are organized into three main categories. The first category is Best Sellers. As the name suggests, this section includes promo video packs that perform better than others based on overall demand. Many of these packs are marked with labels like Hot, which makes them easy to spot. This category usually highlights video packs that are actively being chosen more often across the platform. Next, there's the Limited Time Offer category. This section includes promo video packs that are available for a limited period. These can include seasonal video packs, such as January or winter themes. Since these packs are time-based, their availability can change depending on the season or current promotions. Best Profit. The next category is Best Profit. This section focuses on promo video packs designed for products that typically generate higher profit margins. These often include videos for high-ticket products, brand-focused products. The idea behind this category is to group video packs that are commonly used for products with higher pricing or stronger brand positioning. There's also a Recommended for You category. Even though this is a separate section, some promo video packs may appear as recommended while still being part of other categories like Best Sellers or Best Profit. These recommendations are shown directly on the page and help highlight packs that may be relevant based on current activity or selection patterns. Once this button is clicked and the pack is purchased, it is automatically added to the Your Promo Videos section. Let's move there next. Your Promo Videos. This section displays all promo video packs that have already been added. Here, it's possible to see the list of video packs, the videos included in each pack. By clicking the View Videos button on a pack, a detailed view opens. Inside Promo Video Details. Inside the Details view, each video is shown along with additional information. This includes a preview of the video itself, a direct link to the related product, ready-to-use post content, suggested hashtags. There are also options to download. These files can then be used for posting on different social media platforms. One important detail shown here concerns product availability. If a product included in a promo video pack is not already listed in the online store, that product is automatically uploaded to the store along with the video pack. This ensures that the promo content is always connected to an active product page. So that's a full overview of the promo videos section, from browsing available video packs to managing and using the videos that have already been added.